Without land and water, there will be no agriculture. There will be no food. So basically, without sufficient land and water, we are all doomed. These facts alone should have been more than enough for us to be united, to collaborate, and to take action. Now, add global warming and climate change to the equation. We simply cannot afford the price of ignorance and inaction.